God dang it, I am in prison again just for broadcasting the news without permission. I will break out again. Today, I will flood Rail Rocker's house when his family leaves, because he deserves it. Alright, time to flood the house. Now let's get out of here.
Wait. Why is our house flooded? I bet it was that no-good Boris the teeth guy. I am calling the cops. Man. When will he ever learn?
That was so funny once again. Ha 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 ha.
Boris, come with us.
No way I am going anywhere. I am pushing you out of my way.
Boris, stop right there.
Now we got you surrounded. Come with us to prison.
What do you think I'll do next? To be continued on
Boris, shut up. It's time for roll call.